Hello, ladies and gentlemen. This is Mrs. Taylor, and I am one of the geometry teachers here at NDCL. If you're watching this video, this is to help you get started on Blackboard so that you can do your summer math requirement. And since you've never used Blackboard before, I didn't want to leave you stranded. So the easiest way to get onto Blackboard is to come to NDCL's homepage, which is ndcl.org. And over in the upper right-hand corner, one of the options is Blackboard. So you'll go ahead and click that, and in a separate window, it's going to bring in the login page. I am using Dane Burschig's login today, so shout out to Dane, woot woot. No, I don't want to remember his password. So once you log in, this is going to be the screen that you see. Now, once school starts, it's going to get a little bit more exciting, but right now you only have access to, I think, your summer math stuff. So you'll see that over in the What's New column, you have content and what's due. One of the things that you have in the future, or there's a one thing, when you click that, it drops down and it says Unit 1 Fractions. So I'm going to go ahead and click on this, and this is going to bring me into the page where I'm doing my work for summer math. And over here on the left-hand side, you see the 4 units that you'll be responsible for. So Unit 1 is fractions, Unit 2 is linear equations, Unit 3 is factoring, and Unit 4 is exponents and polynomials. So these are all things that you should have mastered in Algebra 1. You're going to watch a short video and take a brief quiz just to keep the cobwebs off your math skills this summer. So it gives you the instructions, it tells you what you need to do, it gives you contact information for the 3 geometry teachers that will be more than happy to help you with any questions that you have or troubles that you have in doing this. So there's me, Mrs. Taylor, Mr. Lozar, and Miss Ravelli, and our emails are written there. So it tells you that this is due on August the 15th by 5 p.m. And I think that's the day before school starts. And once I click into this, it gives me more information. It tells me what we're learning, equivalent fractions and mixed numbers, comparing fractions and mixed numbers, all the different items. So you need to watch the video log and then take the quiz. You need to pass this quiz before you'll be able to move on to the next unit. And passing for this is 7 out of 8. Now, mastery means that even if you take this first quiz and you get 2 out of 8, that's okay. You'll just go back and maybe rewatch the video, the portions that you had problems with, and try it again. You'll be able to take the quiz over and over again until you hit that mastery level. So you'll come down here, and here's the video that's been created for you. When you hit play, you'll see that it's in this small window, and frankly, I think that this isn't very helpful. Boy, that lady is loud, isn't she? So I'm going to mute this and let her blather on. If you try to make this full screen, you'll get a notice saying that it's not available. So go ahead and click the YouTube, and that will take you into an entire new screen, and then you can bring that up into the full screen and be able to really read and see what's going on. We encourage you to pause the video and take notes, rewind things that you don't feel comfortable with after the first time so you can listen to it again. And by all means, if there's stuff that you've heard before and you feel 100% confident, go ahead and fast forward. You won't hurt my feelings. All right, so once you watch the video, you're going to come down and hit Unit 1 Fractions, and you'll be able to read the directions. It tells you that you have an hour to do the test. The test will save and submit automatically when the time expires. And then as a reminder, August 15th is when it's due. So you'll hit begin, and from there it'll be really self-explanatory. So at this point, I think that you're ready to get started. And then once you finish this, by the way, you're going to come back and go to Unit 2. You're going to watch the video for that and then take the quiz for that. The videos are a little bit longer than I wanted them to be. Most of them are about 20 minutes. I apologize for that, but the problems themselves are not that difficult, and the videos are very specifically geared to give you success on the quizzes. Okay, remember that you can get in touch with any of us, Mrs. Taylor, Mr. Lozar, and Ms. Ravelli, if you have any questions. Thanks so much. Have a great summer.